How to write an improper fraction as a mixed number. What is an improper fraction? Here's an example of one. I have the fraction 8 over 3. You can see that the top number is bigger than the bottom number. If you have a fraction where that's the case, that's an improper fraction. So the top number in mathematics we call the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. A mixed number looks something like this, 2 2/3. What you're going to learn in this video is how to rewrite an improper fraction such as 8 over 3 as a mixed number 2 2/3. Let's look at a problem. Here it says to rewrite 26 over 7 as a mixed number. So the first thing I do is I'm going to write another fraction, and I'm going to use the same denominator that I had stated above. So I'm going to write a 7. I like to write my 7s with a little mark here so it doesn't look like a 1. So now what I'm going to do is ask myself, how many times does 7 divide into 26 without passing over it? So I know 7 can go into 26 3 times. 7 times 3 is 21. If I were to put 4, 7 times 4 is 28, which is more than 26. So you want to pick a number that gets you as close to your numerator but not going over it. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then I ask myself, how many more do I need to add up to 26? So 7 times 3 is 21, so I need 5 more to add up to 26. And this is my mixed number. So 26 over 7 is equivalent or the same as 3 5/7. Let's look at another problem. Here it says to rewrite 14 over 9 as a mixed number. So, as done before, I'm going to keep my denominator, 9, and I ask myself, how many times does 9 divide into 14? 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so 2 would be too much, so I'm going to use the number 1. 9 times 1 is 9, and I ask myself, what's the remainder to get up to 14 from 9? And that would be 5. So 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 gives me my 14. So I know that 14 over 9 is equivalent to the fraction 1 5/9. This was my improper fraction, and this is my mixed number. If you liked the video, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.